In front of me is HUAWEI Honor View 20, and let me show you how to activate battery percentage and status bar on the following device. So as you can see here, you've got the battery icon, and if you'd like to see the current battery level, just open the settings, then go to the battery, and scroll a bit lower where you find battery percentage, mark it. And now you have two options to pick. The first one is next to the battery icon, and this is how it looks like, or you can also choose inside battery icon, and now it is inside. So I would like to pick the first option as it's more visible, but obviously you can choose whichever you only prefer, and this is it. So thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.